Hello everyone, welcome to Bits and Pieces of DevOps. Today we'll be talking about CI/CD concept, which is very important whether you're a developer or a DevOps engineer or any role in the software basically, because now everything goes with the DevOps concepts. Okay, coming to the point, CI is nothing but continuous integration and CD is nothing but continuous deployment. So continuous integration starts whenever the developer push their code changes onto the Bitbucket or maybe GitHub, which are nothing but code repositories. The code will be pulled from the repository and then it will be tested for code errors or linting errors. And once everything is good, then it will start building up the project. If it is a Java project, then it will do the Maven style build. And if it is a Docker file, then it will put all your project files onto the Docker image and build the Docker image. And if it is something like Python or different languages have different building styles. But the main concept here you need to understand is it will build a project and generate an artifact. Okay, if it is a Java project, it may generate a var file or jar file or whatever it is. And if it is a Docker file, it will obviously, after building a Docker file, it will generate a Docker image that can be used for the deployment. Okay, till now it's clear. So first it will do scanning, and second is it do a build, and third one is it will push that particular artifact, maybe a Docker image or the jar file or whatever it into artifact. So artifact is nothing but where the actual output files will be located and versioning of that output files will be stored. So once the output is stored in the artifacts, from there the CD process will start. So CD is nothing but continuous deployment, where whenever there is a code change or version change in the artifacts, we'll try to deploy that particular file onto the production. And in real time, it won't work like that. In real time, we'll be having a staging environment where we test initially and then we'll put it in the production. For now, let's keep it simple. So once CI is completed, we take the artifact and we deploy it onto the server, which is nothing but continuous deployment. So here in this process, what you need to understand is developer just push their code onto the repository, and rest of all the things, the pipeline that needs to be triggered for CI and the pipeline needs to be triggered for deployment, everything should be the DevOps engineer's responsibility. And for example, if you consider Instagram features that roll out overnight, and obviously the first thing that we'll see whenever we open the eyes is Instagram. So recently they have rolled out one feature like whenever you swipe, I'll get the messages and reels like that, right? So that feature is deployed with CI/CD only. Okay, that's the importance of CI/CD. If you have any further doubts, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more such videos.